Overlooking na kainan sa Antipolo Rizal, ang Sumo Cafe. Meron din silang ikalawang palapag. Ito yung menu nila, post nyo na lang. Meron silang starters, salad, pasta, sandwiches, mains, with garlic rice foods, extras, all day breakfast, desserts, classic drinks, at ice signatures. Dito lang yan sa Sumulong Highway sa Antipolo Rizal. Open sila everyday, Monday to Thursday from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday to Sunday from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Walang entrance fee, walang requirements, pwede ang walk-in guests. Meron silang parking ng motor at kotse. Ang best time pumunta ay 6 p.m. kasi masyadong direct yung araw kaya nakakasilaw. Pero may pangharang naman na nakalagay kaya all goods lang. Kaya gabi ang recommended ko. Walang dress code, pet friendly sa alfresco area. Pwede mag-picture at mag-video. Ito yung total na gastos dito sa Sumo Cafe. Follow for more. Checkered!